you doing, guys? Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. Been a while. I apologize. Also, if you want to learn how to become an email HTML email developer, here's my ebooks right here for $9.99. We also have how to build an email developer portfolio, as well as how to become a web content editor. All of these are $9.99 a piece. Guys, again, I apologize. It's been going for a while. It's not many jobs as it was when I started working as an HTML email developer. I think around September, probably before that, around August, July, August, I was getting maybe like 3 interviews a week for like 2 months. Then I got hired. It's not that way these days. Maybe it has something to do with the economy. Maybe it had something to do with the jobs. I don't know if the market is oversaturated with email developers. I don't know what's going on, but I noticed when an email developer job comes in, especially when it comes in from a major company, I have like maybe 8 or 9 recruiters hitting me up for that one position, and it didn't used to be that way. I would always get calls for interviews for various different positions of email developers, but now I get one call from one job or one company. I get flooded with the same job from the same company from several different agencies. I think it slowed down tremendously. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But let's get into it. This HTML developer's position is from Synergis. Synergis, I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's a remote job. They're paying $50 an hour. Well, they're paying more than $50 an hour. I'll get to that in a moment. But let's get out here and get into the requirements, responsibilities. It's a long-term contract, up to 18 months. You get full medical, dental, and vision benefits offered. Now, this may be coming through an agency, and if it comes through an agency, it's going to be way more expensive than it was if you're full-time, not on contract with benefits. So remember that. HTML email developer responsibilities. Produce HTML emails and templates that render perfectly across top email clients. So we know about this, right? Top email clients is going to be what? It's going to be Google, Yahoo, iPhone, Android, Outlook, etc. You got to make sure that email template is looking pretty nice and pretty clean on all those platforms. Manage localization of email content, copy and graphics in 42 non-English languages. Now that's something different I haven't heard, but I guess this company, they have different languages they want to put out their emails in, so that's different. That's something I haven't came across before, something I haven't experienced on the job as well. So we got to keep that in mind. It says become an expert in mail processes at our company and ensure our programs emails are a leading example of how to do email with us. Also, it says drive improvements to team process around email productions. Interact with all organizational levels, develop and manage project schedules, identify risk, and clearly communicate with them to project stakeholders. Defining problem solving and risk mitigation strategies and facilitating conflict resolutions through the full project cycle. So, just mean if you get any errors or anything you see wrong with the project, just let your project manager know and get in contact with them, and they'll get in contact with whether it be the flow team or the design team or whoever to correct whatever issues going on. So that's all that means. So again, it's important to be able to communicate with your project manager because when things happen like this, when you get things that have issues, the problems that's going on, you're gonna have to get in contact with your project manager, and they will help you, solve the issues that's going on with that email template or email coding. Now, this is not true right here. This is not true. You don't have to have this. They don't even teach this in college. So no, don't worry about that. BA, bachelor's, BS, nope. 3 years of experience producing HTML emails. Some companies they don't mind if you have 1 year. Some companies want you to have 5 years. Sometime I've ran into those both. 1 year was fine. 5 years they wanted, and they really wanted 5 years. 3 years expertise in inline CSS and HTML. That's just another part of coding in the HTML emails. 3 years of experience with optimized mail content across platforms, web and mobile. So they just wanted you to know about optimization as far as desktop websites that desktop when you look on your desktop or your laptop or whatever. Make sure it's optimized as well as in your mobile phone. Mobile optimization as well. Scrappy gets the job done with the tools available. So not understanding what that means. I guess it's saying just have knowledge of whatever the tools they use to get the job done, I guess. Ability to navigate complex processes. Now, it says you have to have experience. You don't have to. Preferred experiences in MySQL or Sketch, Photoshop. Ability to work independently on projects but know how to ask for help. That's going to be important because you may come up with some different issues, which I've came up on a lot of different issues, and don't be afraid to just ask for help, no matter what it is. Don't think it's too small of a question that you're embarrassed to ask. Just ask anyway, and because the overall thing is you just want to finish the project and get the project done. So don't be afraid to ask. Excellent attention to detail while working in a very fast-paced environment. Guys, excuse me, I'm kind of under the weather. Been sick this week. That's why my voice is kind of raspy, but I'm going to try to get through it. It says the hourly pay rate range for this position is $50 to $63 an hour, depending on factors including but not limited to client requirements, experience, statutory considerations, and locations. Benefits available to full-time employees, medical, dental, vision, disability, life insurance, 401, and commuter benefits. Commuter benefits, nice. So maybe they are giving you the full benefits that they get full employees. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. But you have to check with them to confirm that. It says this is Synergis is proud to be an equal opportunity employer, and the usual they have down here for diversity and don't discriminate, no sexual orientation, what have you. It says for immediate considerations, you can apply on here on LinkedIn, or you could send this lady your email as well. Lady or sir, I'm sorry, your email as well. But that's about it. $50 to $63 an hour. It's not asking for much at all, to be honest. It's not asking for Salesforce, which is not asking for Marketo, which is cool. So it's not even asking for much. I don't even think they put in what email service provider that they even use. But nevertheless, they didn't even put in Litmus or email on acid as well. So, but I'm sure once you interview, you can ask those questions. They should be able to answer those questions for you. Again, this is the HTML email developer position for Synergis. It pays $50 to $63 an hour. Guys, again, it's been a while. These jobs are not plentiful as they was 2 years ago, unfortunately. But I'm trying to put some content out here for you guys and get you guys some email developer positions that I could share with you guys. I've been Googling them for the past few months, but the only thing we'll come up with mostly will be hybrid or in office, or they will need Salesforce or Marketo or things of that nature. Again, guys, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's the HTML email developer channel. Peace.